Hey everyone, it's your tech friend MKBHD here. Let's talk about keeping those PCs running smooth. Tech keeps evolving, which is awesome. But it also means our computers have to work harder. Without some love, your PC can slow down. We don't want that lag, right? We want our computers to keep up with us, whether it's gaming, working, or just browsing. That's why optimization is key. It's like tuning up a car, you gotta do it to keep things running smoothly. In this guide, we're breaking down simple yet effective ways to optimize your Windows PC in 2025. We'll cover everything from freeing up storage to managing those pesky startup programs. By the end, you'll have a PC that's primed for performance. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about digital clutter. Just like a messy room, a cluttered hard drive can slow things down. Time for some spring cleaning. Windows has a built-in tool called Disk Cleanup. It's like a vacuum cleaner for your hard drive. To find it, just type Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar. Select what you want to delete. Temporary files, old downloads, you name it. Hit OK and boom. You've just reclaimed some precious storage space. Another tip: empty your recycle bin regularly. It's like taking out the trash. Do it often to prevent digital buildup. Remember, a clean drive is a happy drive. Ever noticed how your PC can take forever to boot up? That's because of all the programs fighting to start at the same time. Time to take control. Hit Ctrl plus, Shift plus SC to open Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab. This is where you'll see all the programs that launch when you turn on your PC. See something you don't use often? Right-click and select Disable. Don't worry, you can always re-enable it later if needed. By limiting startup programs, you're giving your PC a much-needed head start. Section 4, Drivers, the unsung heroes of PC performance. Drivers are like translators for your hardware. They tell your PC how to communicate with your devices. Outdated drivers, that's like trying to speak a different language. Things get lost in translation. Thankfully, updating drivers is easier than ever. Many manufacturers have dedicated software. Check your PC brand's website for their utility. These tools scan and update drivers automatically. You can also update drivers manually through Device Manager. Just search for it in Windows. However, using dedicated software is often simpler and ensures you get the latest updates directly from the source. Section 5. Future-proofing your PC, staying ahead of the curve. Optimization isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. As technology advances, new updates and software will emerge. Stay informed about the latest Windows updates and security patches. These updates often include performance enhancements and security fixes, keeping your PC in tip-top shape. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way. By incorporating these optimization tips into your routine, you can ensure your PC stays fast, efficient, and secure for years to come. Happy computing!